Hey there folks, just want to show you what a block spark arrestor sounds like, and let you know, or show you how I remedy that situation. Alright, so I'll get it started, let you listen to it. Righto, so you can hear how it sort of chokes a bit. Just can't get rid of the exhaust gases, so this happens every now and again. Alright, so that's the spark, or the exhaust outlet, and the spark arrestor is that bit of mesh that's in there. So you just got to undo that nut there, or bolt, and you do that. Hopefully you can hold that steady enough while getting out. So yeah, this is the tool, of course, that comes with the steel trimmers. So get that in there, and it's just a matter of undoing him. There he comes. And it's a matter of trying to get hold of. Now I use a pair of jewellery making pliers to get the mesh out. It's pretty tight, this one. Try again. Okay, that's got him out. Now I'll hold him up to the light. You see how it's clear there? It's blocked through there, so that's the exhaust outlet. Now I'll show you how I do it, how I clean that up. Not everybody does it the same. So let's put this down for a sec and get into it. Righto, so I have this in a pair of pliers. I'll use this torch, alright, and then you just burn that off. This is the way I do it. So you can see the carbon, that's the carbon that's the flames coming off. Now some people, when they get their trimmers, they'll just take these straight out and throw them away. That's alright if you're living in an urban area where there's not too much of a chance of a bushfire. However, where I work, it's pretty close to a lot of bush. Last thing I want to do is be the one responsible for starting a bushfire, so I generally clean these out. Coming into the winter now, it's probably not so much of an issue, but I just do it anyway. Anyway, I'll clean this off and I'll come back in a few moments. Don't know if you can see, but it is clean up. You can use a stronger torch than this. I've got a LPG torch in there, but it's a bit more violent than this, but certainly cleans it up a lot quicker. And this is slowly running out of gas too. I should have charged it before I come out. But Anyway, it'll do the job. Just give that a couple of minutes to cool down. In the meantime, you know, after a hard day at work, you've got to get your hydration levels back up. Getting there. Okay, I'll hold this back up to the light so you can see it. Yeah. Can you see the difference that made? Just using that torch. Of course, you can use a stronger one, just the LPG ones, and it'll do the job a lot quicker, but got a bit of time, you might as well just use the smaller torch. Okay, and then it's just a matter of reinstalling it, so we'll go through that process. Sometimes they can be a bit difficult to relocate in there. It's just a little slot that it goes in. That's him. And I'll push him up there. So that's him. And it's just a matter of putting the screw back in. No need to over tighten it. Alright, we'll give it a restart, see how it goes. A little bit of a difference, eh? Hey. Watch those sort of videos for maintenance tips. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. Please leave some comments. If enough people like these sort of videos, I'll do some more of them. Okay, bye for now.